Apple earlier rolled out the feature-packed iOS 15.4 update for its mobile users. The update introduced features like ability to unlock iPhone with mask on, live text integration, and more. However, some users reported about facing quick battery drainage of their iPhones after upgrading to the latest version. To fix the issue, the Cupertino-based company has now released a minor yet important update. It has rolled out iOS 15.4.1 and iPad OS 15.4.1 for the iPhones and iPads. The updates are available on all eligible devices over the air in the Settings app. It can be downloaded for free. Users may head to the Settings, General, Software Update to access the new software update. As per the update's release notes, it fixes the issue that led to the faster battery drains after updating to iOS 15.4. The update also brings a fix for made for iPhone hearing devices and Braille devices. Here are the known issues that the new OS update will fix. Battery may drain more quickly than expected after updating to iOS 15.4. Braille devices may become unresponsive while navigating text or displaying on alert. Made for iPhone hearing devices may lose connection with third-party apps. Apple iOS 15.4.1 and iPad OS 15.4.1 also fix an Apple AVD issue that could allow an app to execute arbitrary code with kernel privileges. Apple suggests the users to update the update as soon as possible, as the issue may have been actively exploited. iOS 15.4 brings the ability to unlock an iPhone while wearing a mask. The feature is currently supported on Apple iPhone 12